हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। यूज as many suitable adjectives as you can with each of the following nouns: fortune, good fortune, bad fortune, ill fortune, great fortune, or we can say small fortune. Next comes man. It can be a great man or a good man, a bad man, a famous man, a wicked man, a poor man, a rich man, or we can say a lucky man, or it can be an honest man. Third is news. Same way we can write good news, bad news, sad news, happy news, pleasant news, dreadful news, important news. Same way storm, violent storm, fierce storm, terrible storm, or we can say fearful storm. You can write as many as you want. Next comes health, good health, bad health, ill health, poor health, indifferent health, delicate health. Then comes novel, good novel, great novel, interesting novel, humorous novel, historical novel, romantic novel, detective novel. Next we have progress, good progress, rapid progress, slow progress, satisfactory progress, or we can say poor progress. Then comes room, large room, big room, small room, spacious room, dark room, crowded room. Then comes final incident, unfortunate incident, unhappy incident, unexpected incident, striking incident, amusing incident. You can write as many adjectives to the suitable noun.